position, but it's black's turn to move, which makes this a draw because black will just keep checking white's king from the side, and white's king cannot get too far, otherwise he drops the pawn. Even back here, if he goes this way, then black's rook just comes here, and even this is a draw, okay? And the reason this works is because black's rook is, and remember this is a key rule, is 3 files away from the pawn, which gives black something we call checking distance, okay? And the way you ensure you have this when you're defending is to put the king on the short side and the rook on the long side away from the king. And this gives you the checking distance, and this idea will pop up even again in the Philidor defense, attack from the rear defense, which I covered in another video. And now if we were to shift everything to the left, okay, so now we have the same position, but there are only 2 files in between the rook and king. Now these checks don't work because the king is close enough. And black would love to have one more check here to make the king run back to the defense of the pawn, but just doesn't work, right? So yeah, keep the checking distance, king on the short side, rook on the long side.